Good evening guys, today I'm going to be making cream cheese leche flan. So I have a very simple ingredients and I'm not going to make it very hard because I'm gonna see if I can do it with just the blender. So cream cheesecake that I'm gonna be making is probably just gonna be a small size because I'm gonna be the only ones eating it. So I adjusted all the ingredients and they're very simple. So what we need here is a 1/4 cup of sugar, which is for caramelize, and 2 full eggs, a 4 ounce of cream cheese, a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, and a 1/2 cup of condensed milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. But for now, let's caramelize this sugar. Okay, we are going to caramelize the sugar, and what we have here is a 1/4 cup of sugar. Let's turn the heat to medium, not super high. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of water to start off. So let's continue on stirring the sugar. So our sugar starts to caramelize. Make sure that you distribute some of this caramel on the side as well. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set it aside for now, let it cool off. Okay, let's go ahead and blend all these ingredients together. First, we will put the evaporated milk. We have a 1/2 cup of condensed milk, 1/2 box, 4 ounce of cream cheese, and 2 medium-sized full eggs. Okay, here we go. Let's blend this all the ingredients. Now that it is all blended, I'm going to go ahead and strain it first so there's no clumpy. Okay, now we are ready to pour this on the baking pan. Okay, we are ready to bake this cream cheesecake leche flan. Let's cover this for the first 30 minutes. And my oven is already preheated to 325 degrees, and we're gonna put the hot water. This is hot water. I'm gonna put this on the bottom. Okay, here we are. We are going to bake this cream cheese leche flan for 30 minutes for 325 degrees, and cover it first. Alright, so how do we know that our cream cheesecake leche flan is cooked? All you have to do is just stick the toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, it is done. So while we are waiting, hello, we're waiting for our leche flan. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, here's my miniature cream cheesecake leche flan. So here's my cheesecake leche flan. It became miniature. It's because I made so little and I did not adjust the temperature, and it got burned, and I made it into a miniature leche flan. Guys, it's so delicious. Take a look at that one. So delicious, you guys. I will post a newer version. I got to adjust the temperature because I made just half of the ingredients. This time I'm gonna make the same ingredients, the same amount, but I'm gonna adjust the temperature. So I'll see you in a bit.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. I collab with FLEUR DE LYS from Malaysia. She is also Filipino and cooking Leche Flan tonight. And please check out her channel. I'm going to put her link on the description down below, and leave me any comments. And this is just trial and error, and I'm hoping I could cook better cream cheese leche flan in the future. So thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. I so appreciate it much, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Ta-ta!